3 months ago, we started cleaning business in 1 week, and we did that with $0 out of pocket, and now we're on pace to do over 6 figures in 2022. In this video, I'll go over what we learned starting this business with $0 out of pocket, and what we could have done better, and what we think we did great. My business partner Johnny actually run a few home service businesses, from window cleaning to house cleaning, and we also have the Home Service Academy where we help people start remote home service businesses the way that we do it. Now, if you're not familiar with remote home services, what that is you offer a service, but you're using contractors to do the jobs for you. So we actually don't do any of the cleaning in-house or the window cleaning as well, because we run that business on the same business model. So just keep in mind that for this video and what I'm talking about in any future videos is on the remote cleaning model. So let's get into it. So the first thing is online presence is a huge factor to our success in our previous business, which is orange window cleaning, and we undervalued the fact that that brings in so much work. So in the beginning, we opened up a Yelp page for our MAID business, and we put a few reviews up and started running ads, and that did help, but the 2 months it ended up hurting us more than it helped us, because some of our reviews got taken down and we were left with 0 reviews, and that meant that we were spending a lot of money on ads for Yelp but not getting the return that we should have been getting, and that's because we hadn't built a solid reputation on Yelp. Number 2, referral-based marketing is super crucial and important, especially starting out, because you don't have that solid reputation online. So it really comes down to people loving your service and recommending you to their friends and their family or anybody that's in their community. This is completely free marketing, because as long as you do a good job, you don't have to pay for that next customer if they're coming from a referral. Step 3 is finding cleaners is not easy, but it's definitely doable. So when you find that really good cleaner, you gotta make sure that you're holding on to that person, because good cleaners are hard to come by sometimes. But don't undervalue getting referrals from people that you know, like friends or family. So ask around, ask people what cleaners they use, and use those types of cleaners, because sometimes they don't have a full week of work and they would love to have a partner like you to be able to refer work to them. Number 4, we started this business with $0 out of pocket, and the way we did that was with an Amex charge card, which is a type of credit card. And what it is, basically you can put as much money as you want on the credit card and then pay it off in 30 days. So we paid everything from our marketing spend to our software costs, and we did all of that with $0. Meanwhile, it is a little bit hard on cash flow, because as soon as you make some money, profit, you do have to put it back paying for that credit card, since you started the business with $0. But it is ideal if you're starting the business with less money and you don't have as much to invest up front. Number 5, one of the biggest reasons we started this business was because Johnny's mom was in a position where she was able to start a business and be able to run it full time, and we wanted to give her the opportunity to basically run this business as her own. So from day 1, we actually put her in as the operator, and the goal was for her to replace her income within the next couple months, and we actually did that within 3 months. But one thing we seriously underestimated was the effect that it would have on initial cash flow, since we did start it with $0. So in the beginning it was kind of tough, because we were paying for the expenses of the business, but on top of that also paying for an operator. And usually if you were doing this model and you were the operator yourself, you probably wouldn't pay yourself for the first month, 2 months, maybe even 3 months, because you want to be able to invest all that money back into the business to grow it as fast as possible. Now, since we didn't take that into account, it was very tight, and we would sometimes go a couple days with very little cash in the bank, even though we were making a couple $1,000s a week or a month. So one thing is, when starting a business like this with $0 out of pocket, just understand that the cash initially that you make is going to be put back into the business most likely, and you won't be able to, you know, take a $4,000, $5,000 salary like instantly. You need to be able to put the money back into the business to grow it, and then a few months down the line, then you can start taking those draws. The sixth and final point that I want to make is that software and technology can seriously help you automate your business and make your life a million times easier. So from day one, we got Booking Koala, which is a software that basically helps you run a remote cleaning business. And we got that, implemented that, and you know, from day one, we were able to schedule people into the software, also have online booking, and be able to send automated texts, emails, invoices, charge cards, do all of that from the software. Now, it's like $57 a month. That's nothing compared to the time that it saves you. So if you're starting one of these businesses, I would highly recommend that you get that starting from day one. Now, if there's one thing that you should take away from this video, it's that you can start today. You know, we started with $0, you can too, and there's no reason why you can't do this same business model and make it work for you. Now, if you made it this far, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our other videos. Now, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.